Welcome, here I've got Realme 7i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to 3 other options we can manage. Now let's pick this settings button from the right to open the advanced camera settings. And here at the third position we have the shutter sound option, so by using button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off, let's go back to the camera, and when I take another picture, we can't hear the sound. Of course, we can turn it on once again by tapping on the right corner and then to the settings and using this button, so for now we can hear the sound. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.